In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign comments to people in Google Docs. This is a really useful feature if you're collaborating on a document and want to make sure certain people address specific comments or edits. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First off, open your Google Docs document and navigate to the portion of the text where you'd like to leave a comment. Highlight the section of the text you want to discuss or need feedback on. Now, once you've highlighted the text, you have a couple of options to add your comment. You can go to the top of the Google Docs interface and click on the Add Comment button, or for a more direct approach, look for the little speech bubble icon with a plus sign inside it. This icon will conveniently appear on the right side of the highlighted text. Clicking on it will allow you to add a comment directly. Next, in the comment box that opens, type the @ symbol. This step is crucial because it triggers a drop-down menu that shows a list of people connected to the document or whose emails you can tag. What's great about this feature is that it can either display the names of collaborators who have previously interacted with the document or allow you to enter an email address of someone new whom you want to include in the discussion. Once you have this drop-down menu in front of you, scroll through or start typing the name or email address of the individual you intend to assign the comment to. Click on the desired person's name or email from this list. Now here's the final step to make sure the comment is clearly directed to them for action. Look towards the bottom of the comment box and you'll see a checkbox with the option to assign to. Checking this box is crucial because it's what transforms a standard comment into an action item for that specific person. By checking this box, you're effectively assigning the responsibility of addressing that particular comment to the person you tagged, making it clear that the comment or suggested change is for them to consider or resolve. After ensuring everything is in place, simply click the Assign button to finalize the process. Once you've done that, the selected person will receive a notification about the comment assignment, prompting them to take the necessary action. And there you have it. That's how you can efficiently assign comments to people in Google Docs. Assigning comments not only facilitates better collaboration, but also helps in the smooth progression of work, ensuring that everyone involved knows exactly what they need to focus on. Keep practicing this process, and soon you'll find it to be an indispensable tool in your collaborative toolkit. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating.